Good morning, beta. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, can you hear me? I can't hear any one of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, good morning. Let's wait for others to join. Aman, have you completed your worksheet that I shared in the second period?
Good morning, ma'am.
Aman, beta, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you complete your worksheet? Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Your worksheet is
Morning, ma'am.
completed or it's good
Ma'am,
morning?
completed.
Everyone or somebody's worksheet is still left to be done?
Ma'am, my worksheet is left. Only one question.
Very good. And who else? I'm sure many of you, the worksheet must be incomplete
Ma'am,
because
I
it was
have
not
done
possible to complete it in one period. Vedanshu's work was done then only. What about others?
Ma'am, my work also done. Ma'am, I have also done, Aradhya.
You have also done. Okay. All right. Then do one thing. Those who have done, start posting your worksheet on the class group
Okay, ma'am.
so that I can see how many of you have actually done it.
Okay, ma'am, I am sending.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I switch off my camera for a minute?
Yes, beta, you can.
Ma'am, today's talent show.
What, beta, Akshat? What are you saying?
Ma'am, today's talent show.
Today's talent show. In which period? In the next period?
Ma'am, PT.
Yes,
ma'am, in
I
CT.
understood. I understood. In the next period.
Ma'am, Viransu will sing a poem on Sanskrit.
On what topic?
Ma'am, the Viransu will sing a poem in Sanskrit.
In Sanskrit. Wow.
Ma'am, that's a bhajan. My father is there.
Very nice. Very nice.
We can sing.
So you have it in the last period?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are you doing, Aradhya?
Ma'am, I am doing cooking and art.
What are you going to cook?
Science.
Sandwich. Okay, wonderful. Akshat, what about you?
Ma'am, I am doing art. Am I also doing art? Two things you have
Art.
to answer.
Okay, art. Aman.
Ma'am, I am also art.
Okay. I'm also art. You are art. I'm also art. I thought you are Aman. Okay. And what about you, Taranveer? You are a great artist, huh? Are you also doing some art?
Arsenal is doing painting.
Arsalan. Arsalan is going to paint something. Taranveer, what are you doing? Tell us.
Ma'am, I am drawing a butterfly.
Butterfly. Okay. All right. So I have received worksheets from Akshaj, Aradhya. Vedanshu, where is your worksheet? Vedanshu, you have not posted
Ma'am, what?
your worksheet, beta. The worksheet I shared in the previous class.
Yes, ma'am. I am
Where-
posting. Wait a
Okay,
second.
posted. And what about the rest? Aman, Ehman, Aman, Ehman, Arsalan, Ansh Patel, Taranveer. Where are your worksheets?
Ma'am,
If you have,
my last question.
okay, you're doing, those who are doing now will do it silently. Others, we'll just wait for them to finish. And then children, I have a very interesting game for all of you today.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
finish your worksheet and we are going to play a game. So hurry up. Yes?
Ma'am, no books, no copy.
No notebooks, no copy. It's a no bags. It's a no bag school today, huh? But in the morning you studied. You wrote such a big worksheet. But after recess, it's break time now. What did you do in the 5th period?
Ma'am, that was PD class.
PD. So again, interesting, some fun.
Yes,
Okay, you have, it's 11:28. You have 7 minutes to finish your worksheet. At 11:35, I'll begin the game. Is that clear?
ma'am, can you give some hint of the game? What you have to
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
The hint of the game is that you have to unjumble some words related to the chapters we have studied till now. Like, for example, the word is earth, E-A-R-T-H. So I am going to give you the spelling like T-A-H-R-E, like that. And you have to guess the word depending on the chapters, based on the chapters of SST.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can give any chapter word. Ma'am, I'm going to take on my rough copy for you.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I'm going to take out my rough copy to. Oh,
No, you don't have to do it in rough copy. You will do it in chat box only.
ma'am, the game we will do in chat box.
Yes, you will do it in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can give any
Now,
chapter
please
word.
don't
Ma'am, I
disturb
have sent
those.
it worksheet.
Very good. Now, don't disturb those who are doing the worksheet. Remain quiet for 6 minutes. Okay. No talking till then.
What we doing?
You have to complete your worksheet that was shared with you in the second period. If you have done the worksheet, you can post it on the class group. Let me just see how many of you have done it. And after finishing the worksheet, we are going to play a game. So if you have not done your worksheet, hurry up and post it.
Ma'am, I have not attended yesterday class.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I have not attended yesterday class.
Okay, you did not attend the morning class. No, you were there, Ankush Gautam, in the morning class. I remember.
Yes, ma'am. He was there.
You joined it very late or something happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just wait. I think you have not done the worksheet. Now you will see the recording.
Ma'am, I sent it.
Very good. You will see the recording and see the worksheet. I will send the worksheet on D group also. Don't worry.
Ma'am, Aradhya is talking with herself.
Ma'am, Riddhi has sent my worksheet.
What, beta?
Ma'am, Riddhi has sent my worksheet. This is my handwriting.
Very bad, Riddhi. You have done this in previous class also. When you were in class 3, I remember.
Ma'am, 7 minutes has completed. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What, beta? What are you saying?
Ma'am, 7 minutes has completed.
No, it's not 11:35. Just wait. Let me see now
Yes,
how
ma'am,
many of
1
you
minute
have
left.
sent. Akshaj, Aradhya, no, Aradhya has not sent. Vedanshu Prakash.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Beta, I'm just calling out your names for worksheet. Riddhi Agarwal, this is not your worksheet. Okay, what about others? Still Arsalan, Aman, Ehman, Taranveer, Yuvraj. All of you are left. Beta, what are you all doing?
ma'am, I am sending.
Riddhi
Ma'am, but I
Singh
am sending.
just sits
Ma'am,
before her camera, just sits before her mobile. She never studies. She doesn't bother what is going on in the class. She does the same in other classes also, children.
ma'am, who?
Riddhi Singh.
Ma'am,
Oh,
yes.
sorry, Riddhi Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Riddhi Agarwal, beta, why do you behave so special, huh? Now she's left.
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Unsha? Were you there in the second period?
No, ma'am, she was not there.
Okay, even Unsha doesn't reply much. She is into herself. Okay, now let's begin the game. The first word is, all of you, first of all, will send me the answer directly. Okay? Very good, Taranveer. I have received your work. Good. You will type the answer directly to me so that others don't cheat from you. The first word is,
When we write the first word in chat.
I have written. Now guess.
Hungry.
All right, very good, Arsalan. I have received your work also. Wonderful.
Ma'am, can we take help from book?
No, no. Okay, take help from book.
And which chapter?
Now I have to tell you the chapter also. When I'm telling you to open the book, do a little yourself also.
Okay.
The only hint I can give is this is from the chapter we have done. I will give you words only from the chapters we have done so far.
History.
Does it have S? Does it have Y or H? No, I can't see any H, S, Y. How can it be history? Oh, Taranveer has guessed it. Amazing.
Send the answer.
Taranveer, very good, very good. Only Taranveer has guessed it so far. Wonderful, beta. You did it yourself or somebody helped you out? Taranveer?
Ancestors.
Beta, you don't have to speak, Arsalan. If you feel this is the word, type it in the chat box. But it is not ancestors also. Does it have C? Does it have A? Does it have...
Myself.
Taranveer, you did it
I do
yourself or somebody
myself.
helped you? Okay, you did it yourself. Very nice, beta. Very good. Come on, buck up, Aradhya, Vedanshu, Arsalan, Akshaj, Yuvraj. Okay, I'll give you a hint. The word starts from R, alphabet R. What is it?
Ma'am, anybody names?
No, beta, it is a word that we have studied in social studies.
Ma'am, I know. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, I can see two B's here. Huh? The O is B. I cannot see any B here. How can it be rabbit? Riddhi Agarwal has typed rabbit. Very good, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, banana.
Banana. Ankush Gautam, what is wrong with you? Okay, the next hint is the next alphabet after R is O. R, O. Now guess. It is from the 4th chapter.
Ma'am, robot.
Okay,
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got
now
it.
let me see. Now let me see how many of you got it. Okay, Vedanshu has given the answer. But Vedanshu, after having so many hints, you used 3 lifelines.
Ma'am, which book?
Which book? Who is asking which book?
Ma'am.
Which teacher am I? Which subject teacher am I? What do I teach you?
Ma'am, I have sent my answer.
Very good. Aradhya has also sent. Akshaj has also sent. Aman, what do you mean by red? What is red, beta? Okay, the next word. Good. You like the game?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Now, the next
Yes, ma'am.
word is yes.
Rotation.
Rotation. The word is rotation. Now wait for the next word.
Ma'am, which book? Please tell me. SST book.
Beta, SST book. I am your SST teacher now. I teach you SST. This game is about looking for words. You have to find out what the correct word is from your SST book. Now see, everybody see in the chat box, the next word is there.
में से SST बुक कौन सी है देना? Ma'am, this book.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
which
Yes,
chapter?
yes, beta. Yes, Ankush, this book only.
Ma'am, which chapter is this?
Now,
Yes, four.
chapter, okay, chapter number 3.
मैम ने मैंने चैप्टर बताया
Again, the same
Ma'am, I got
winner.
this.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got this.
Taranveer has already sent. Vedanshu, where is T? Where is Y in my jumbled words? Tell me. Taranveer has sent the answer. So 2 points go to Taranveer without any lifeline.
Chapter 4.
Yes, guess Vedanshu. Guess, you are very close to the word, beta. Very close.
Ma'am, which book?
Aman, beta. SST book.
Ma'am,
Excursion.
chapter 3.
Yes,
Ma'am,
chapter
sent-
3.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Akshad's wrong.
Ma'am, chapter
Where is?
3.
Yes, beta. Chapter 3. Where is T? Where is Y?
Sorry, ma'am, my
I, E?
word. Sorry, ma'am, I sent it the wrong word. Ma'am means
Yes,
accidentally
yes.
sent it.
Vedanshu, I want the correct answer from you anyhow. Children should be dash. Now guess the word. Children should be dash. Very good, Aradhya. According to this word, one must be dash for his work. One must be what?
Ma'am means I get 1 point.
Yes, Aradhya also gets 1 point. Okay, now can I tell the answer?
ऑनलाइन क्लास पे कैसे टाइपिंग करेंगे? ऑनलाइन क्लास पे टाइपिंग कर दें इसी पे बिना व्हाट्सएप करे.
Ankush, beta, you are attending. I think you are attending your classes for the like you have just started to attend your classes. Now see how you type. There is an option. Arsalan, I will disqualify you from the game. You are not supposed to speak. Do you know that? And it is not responsibility. Ankush, beta, are you attending your classes from your mobile phone? Yes. Okay, so there is this option more. Can you see this option more? 3 dots are made. From there, you have to select chat and then you can type anything. Okay, the word is responsible. It's not responsibility. Children must be dash for their work, responsible for their work. Yes, I was saying with Anshu, you are very close to the word. Okay, next.
Ma'am, somehow I didn't get that, so I thought let us.
Okay, next word.
Ma'am, what is next word?
Telling you.
Ma'am, but everybody had said writing the answer to everyone.
Okay, now I think this one you will be able to do it. It's an easy one. Oh, I have just sent it to Arsalan. Wait. The word is okay. Now see. Can you guess? It's a simple one. Vedanshu has sent the answer first. Akshar has also sent. Very nice. What about you, Taranveer? What happened? Taranveer has also sent. The word is civics. Yes, civics.
Ma'am, I
Very
was
good.
also just writing.
All right, very good. You were describing very nice. Okay. Now the next word would be mm, okay. Let me see how many of you can guess.
Ma'am, chapter?
Oh, I have missed one R from there. Teyroppr. It will be Teyroppr.
Ma'am, CITIZEN.
What is that?
Ma'am, it is citizen. Ma'am, citizen.
Citizen? Where is that?
Ma'am, which chapter is that?
Beta, it is again chapter 3.
Oh.
जी से लिखा ही होता है ना साइंस मैम साइंस
Yes?
साइंस मैम साइंस
Beta, see, look at the alphabets I have just said. Taranveer and Arsalan, very good. Correct answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Arslan got 4 points.
What, beta?
Or how?
What?
ma'am, my answer is correct.
Aradhya, yes, it's correct. Very good. So the word is property. The word is property. Okay, now I'll give you one easy word, a small word.
Okay, ma'am.
This one I'm sure everybody will tell me because it has such obvious consonants.
Ma'am, what is
Very nice, Arsalan. Very quick.
Ma'am,
Wonderful.
again chapter 3.
Yes?
Ma'am, again chapter 3.
Yes, again chapter 3.
ma'am citizen?
Beta, Ankush, what are you doing? Can you see the chat box in your phone? Very good, Vedanshu. Correct answer. But there is no S. Vedanshu, in my alphabets, is there any S? Why have you added S on your own? Yes?
Ma'am, it starts from N.
Ma'am, my is correct. Ma'am, I got this.
Okay,
Ma'am.
Taranveer, correct answer. Aradhya, correct answer. Arsalan and Vedanshu, correct answer. Akshaj, could you not guess? Aman, Yuvraj, Unsha, Ansh Patel. What about you all? The answer is neighbor. Neigh-bor. Neighbor.
I gave the hint also.
Ma'am, but I'm typing the neighbors.
Oh, you were about, yes. Akshaj has also typed. Okay, the next word is going to be a little difficult, I think. Though it is a small one.
Ma'am, I got this.
My God, you got it so quick. Let's see if you give the, oh, very nice. Arsalan got it. Wonderful, Arsalan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have sent the message. I know.
I
It is
know.
simple.
Very good, very good. Arsalan has given the correct answer. Let me see who else can do it.
Ma'am, but it's not done well.
Ma'am, I am sending you direct.
It is.
So easy it is. Okay, let me see, Taranveer, your answer. Now the hint, the first lifeline that you all lose is that it is from the first chapter. Now see if you can find. No, Yuvraj, it's wrong. Taranveer, your answer is still awaited. Very good, Taranveer. Correct answer.
Ma'am, it is so simple.
Yes, it is so simple according to Arsalan. It is so simple.
Ma'am, I can't understand it.
Okay, Vedanshu, correct answer. All right, now I'll tell you. The word is ancient. Ancient. Okay, one last word for today. Now, what will that word be? Okay, this one is going to be interesting. Now, the word is there.
Ma'am, I found it.
My God, Aradhya, so quick. Taranveer, so quick.
Yes, ma'am, I got this.
Okay, Arsalan, you got the word, but the spelling.
And when the word was got in the chat box, I know that. I know that.
Very nice, very nice. Arsalan, wrong spellings, beta. Type the correct spelling of the word. This way you will learn spellings also, all difficult words also.
Ma'am, is my correct?
Yes, yours is correct. Akshaj, Vedanshu, Taranveer, Aradhya, everybody's answers are correct.
Ma'am, it's not simple.
Yes, the word is,
Yes,
the
ma'am, it
answer
is
is
simple.
Ma'am,
hemisphere.
it's interesting and
Hemisphere.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
hemisphere. Now,
Yes.
one more word.
Ma'am, this will be laugh at the cost of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have not given any from chapter 2.
All the
Okay,
answers.
now see, oh, I have just typed it to Arsalan. Just wait.
Ma'am, it is hemisphere.
Now, this is a very easy word. Very easy, very simple. Very good, Taranveer. Taranveer is very quick, huh? In this game. Vedanshu, very
Ma'am,
nice.
chapter?
Yes?
I'm using laptop.
What, Akshaj?
Ma'am, what is chapter?
Chapter, the last chapter.
And it's chapter 4.
Yes, beta, chapter 4.
The words start from O.
Ma'am, I got it. And I have written. Ma'am, did my correct? Ma'am, is my
Okay,
also correct?
correct answer, Akshaj, Aradhya, you know. Yuvraj wrong, Aman wrong. The word is orbit. The correct answer is orbit.
Orbit.
Yes, ma'am.
That all planets do.
Now I think I'll give you one last word.
Okay.
Okay, just wait.
And ma'am, after this, there should be talent show.
Yes,
Yes,
all the best
ma'am.
to all of you to
Yes,
showcase your
ma'am.
talent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guess the word.
Ma'am, from what chapter?
I think it is from second
Ma'am,
chapter. Third. It is from responsibilities of good citizen.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I
Not being able to guess. Okay, nobody is being able to guess. So I'll tell you, since no time is left now, the word is discipline.
Discipline.
Yes, discipline.
Ma'am, ma'am, is on third chapter.
Now, bye to all of you. It is from responsibilities of good citizen.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
All the best.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.